cleaning and organization products to rejuvenate your home. In this video, we found 17 best Amazon organization products to get the job done. Let's get started. Tired of cluttered bathroom counters? Introducing the YIGII Hair Tool Organizer, your solution for a tidy, organized bathroom. This versatile organizer features 3 storage spaces, perfect for securely storing hair dryers, curling irons, and straighteners. With its round design, this blow dryer holder can be flexibly hung inside or above cabinet doors under your sink, ensuring easy access to your styling tools. Crafted from sturdy steel wire, it boasts a fixed rod for stable use. The ultra-thin hook is padded with EVA foam to protect your cabinet from scratches. This versatile box conceals popular-sized power strips and excess cord clutter, improving the appearance of your desk, TV area, or workspace. Crafted in the UK from high-quality, electrically safe ABS plastic, this cord organizer keeps cables organized and out of reach from curious pets and children. It also reduces trip hazards, making your space safer and more functional. With its stylish design featuring curved edges and pinholes, the D-line box blends seamlessly with your surroundings. 3 rear cable entry-exit slots maintain a tidy appearance, compatible with D-line's range of cable management solutions. This set of 8 tall white dividers brings order to chaos, maximizing your closet's functionality. Perfect for stacking clothes, sweaters, purses, shoes, toys, towels, and more. These dividers have been a trusted Amazon favorite for over 7 years. When you can't expand outward, go upward. These clever organizers make the most of your vertical space, neatly supporting stacked items like t-shirts, hoodies, and jeans. Versatile and practical, use these dividers for everything from baby clothes to linens, yoga pants to boots. Installation is a breeze. They simply click into existing 12-inch wire shelving. This collapsible hanger takes up half the space of individual hangers, allowing you to hang 5 pairs of pants in the space of just 3 regular hangers. Crafted from premium beech wood, these sturdy organizers can hold up to 30 pounds of your heaviest clothes without bending or breaking. The patented 360-degree swivel hook design makes loading and unloading a breeze, while the non-slip coating keeps your items securely in place on the 5-tiered rack. Versatile and practical, use these hangers for pants, jeans, skirts, scarves, and more. They're perfect for maximizing closet space and keeping all your items visible at a glance. This device is like a Roomba for your windows and glass shower walls, tackling the housework you've been putting off. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI 3.0 path planning, the Tosima efficiently maps out the best cleaning route for thorough results. Its powerful suction motor and microfiber pads effectively remove dirt, dust, and smudges, leaving your glass surfaces crystal clear. Choose from multiple cleaning modes to suit your needs, whether it's a quick spot clean or a comprehensive window wash. Built-in safety features, including anti-fall sensors, keep the robot securely attached even on vertical surfaces. These innovative clips feature a unique spring design that adapts to various cable sizes, from thin phone chargers to thick HDMI cords. Unlike fixed silicone holes, these clips adjust to fit cables between 2.5 to 8 millimeters in diameter. The strong, no-residue acrylic adhesive securely attaches to any clean surface without damaging it. Spare stickers are included for easy relocation. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the backing, stick the clip where you need it, and press your cable into the spring-loaded clip. The angled opening allows for easy one-handed insertion, while the spring construction lets cords move back and forth for convenient access. Say goodbye to messy underwear drawers with the simple Houseware Closet Underwear Organizer. This versatile set of dividers puts everything in its place, making laundry organization a breeze and daily dressing hassle-free. Crafted from durable, non-woven fabric, this set includes 4 bins designed to meet all your organizing needs. The 6-cell bin is perfect for scarves and ties, while the 8-cell bin neatly stores underwear, briefs, and more ties. A 7-cell bin is specially designed for bras, and a 24-cell bin keeps your socks paired and easy to find. With its flexible silicone head, this brush easily bends to reach under the toilet rim, tackling those hard-to-clean areas with ease. Say goodbye to hygiene concerns. The larger silicone bristles resist hair tangling and rinse clean effortlessly, saving you time and hassle. Unlike plastic bristles, these silicone ones won't scratch your toilet bowl, ensuring a gentle yet thorough clean. The thoughtfully designed holder features ventilation slots for proper drainage with roll, eliminating the problem of stagnant water and unpleasant odors. The brush's stainless steel handle resists rust, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This pack of individual holders saves valuable space, transforming cluttered corners into tidy storage areas. The strong adhesive backing ensures stability on walls and doors, while silicone grips prevent handles from slipping or scratching surfaces. Installation is a breeze, no drilling required. Simply peel and stick for instant organization in seconds. These holders are waterproof and non-slip, guaranteeing long-lasting performance even in damp environments. But these versatile tile mounts aren't just for cleaning tools. Use them to hang umbrellas, kitchen utensils, repair tools, or toilet brushes. Known for tackling tough stains and grime, this toilet foam powder lives up to the pink stuff's reputation for effectiveness. Watch as the powder transforms into a powerful foam, covering every inch of your bowl to remove stubborn stains, limescale, and odors. Simply sprinkle, let it foam, give a quick scrub if needed, and flush away for a spotless finish. This versatile cleaner is perfect for weekly maintenance or tackling heavy buildup. Its non-corrosive formula is safe for all plumbing systems, including septic tanks. This durable dispenser helps you do your part for the environment by keeping your grocery bags ready for reuse. Measuring 15.5 inches tall, 6 inches wide, and 3.5 inches deep, this efficient holder features an extra-wide opening on top for easy storage. Need a bag? Simply pull one from the convenient bottom dispensing slot. Versatility is key with this holder. Mounted on walls, doors, or even under shelves using the included screws or adhesive stickers. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability wherever you place it. This versatile organizer is designed to fit horizontally in your cabinet, with shelf depths ranging from 2.28 to 2.56 inches, perfect for most spice jars. Adjustability is key with this rack. Expand it from 12.7 to 22.2 inches in length to fit your unique space, while maintaining a consistent width of 7.7 inches and height of 4.3 inches. This flexibility ensures it meets your specific organizational needs. But don't limit its use to just spices. This organizer is perfect for vitamin bottles, essential oils, cosmetics like lipstick and nail polish. Anything you want visible and within easy reach. This 3-tier system offers 69 quarts of total storage, with each drawer holding 23.3 quarts or 5.8 gallons. Measuring 15 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 8.3 inches high per drawer, with a total height of 23.6 inches, these drawers are perfect for maximizing storage in small spaces. Use them in kitchens, closets, laundry rooms, or for craft supplies and pet food storage. Crafted from premium, durable PP material, these drawers are sturdy, odorless, and built to last. Their waterproof and dustproof design makes them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This clear acrylic organizer showcases your nail polish colors and brand names at a glance, eliminating the need to open boxes to find the perfect shade. Designed to accommodate most nail polish brands, this versatile organizer can also store essential oils and small drug bottles. With space for 48 nail polishes, it maximizes storage while minimizing clutter. Place it horizontally or upright on your countertop or dresser to save valuable space. Crafted from durable, transparent plastic, this dust-free box allows you to view your collection from both sides without opening. Strong latches keep everything secure and organized. Each hanger in this system holds 5 pieces of clothing simultaneously, maximizing your closet space and keeping your clothes organized and easily accessible. Designed with versatility in mind, these hangers feature a 360-degree rotating hook, adapting to various closet rods. The large open hooks make it easy to hang and remove clothes, even accommodating thick plastic hangers. Use them for any garment type or even towels, bags, and accessories. Crafted from durable ABS material, these hangers are wider and thicker than standard versions, supporting up to 40 pounds each. Crafted from heavy-duty, premium-quality clear acrylic, these purse hangers are built to last. They're 100% safe, easy to clean, and designed to withstand the test of time. Versatility is key with these multi-purpose hangers. Use them in your home closet or boutique to create neat, modern displays. Their sturdy hook with arch design is compatible with most strap purses and handbags, keeping your expensive items from wrinkling, creasing, or bending. Each convenient pack includes 3 bag hooks, perfect for organizing multiple bags. Whether you're hanging purses, backpacks, or other accessories, these hangers have got you covered. Crafted from ultra-sturdy, breathable material with superior stitching, these versatile organizers are built to last and easy to clean. Perfect for organizing everything from clothes and toys to office supplies and cosmetics. These foldable, lightweight organizers offer maximum flexibility. Keep them on dresser tops, desks, or changing tables for easy access to essentials, or tuck them away in bureaus, linen chests, and wardrobes for hidden storage. With NEATERIZE drawer organizers, you'll enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a tidy, well-organized home.